viewers. Join us for an exclusive segment as we celebrate the outstanding achievements of 23 JEE Mains qualifiers hailing from Krishna Public School, Raipur. Bhagyansh Sahu emerged as the CG state topper. His dedication exemplifies the spirit of excellence of Krishna Public School. Now let us take a closer look at the other qualifiers and their achievements. Next we have Keshav Kumar Ramuka, Purvansh Sahu, Satyakam Mishra, Snehil Hota, Shivam Sinha, Yukti Gangwani and many more. So let's catch a glimpse of those memorable moments at the felicitation ceremony. The joint entrance examination JEE Mains is conducted by National Testing Agency NTA. A total of 14,15,110 students appeared in the examination 2024. 2.5 lakh students qualified for the JEE Advanced session 2024. So let's delve into their success stories.
So we have the state topper with us, Bhagyansh Sahu. Congratulations, Bhagyansh, for this great achievement. My question to you is, in this age, we see that there are so many distractions and so much to do. So what all did you give up to this very tough exam?
Social media was a big distraction for me. So I started with deactivating my social media account. And while studying, I used to keep my phone away or give it to my sister or parents so that I do not get distracted by the phone. I also missed a lot of gathering with friends, which was of course fun, but I thought that if I invest that time into studying, I will get better results. Also, I created a proper schedule which I followed every day, which helped me avoid distractions and keep my daily life monotonic. And I also used to meditate in the morning, which kept my mind fresh and allowed me to focus on the studies rather than getting distracted by other things.
How is the preparation of JEE Mains exam different from boards?
In JEE Mains, we have to do objective questions. So we have to practice more and more multiple choice questions to get a view of exam. And in boards, there is a subjective pattern. We have to write long answers and we have to know these steps, how to solve numericals in physics and maths. Whereas in JEE Mains, we don't need steps, we can solve using shortcuts in less time. And time management is also a key. In JEE Mains, we have to solve 3 subjects in 3 hours, whereas in boards, we get 3 hours for each subject. So there is very much difference in boards and JEE Mains.
My question to you is, what was your daily routine during the JEE Mains preparation process?
First of all, I would like to thank my parents and my sister for helping me along this journey. I used to wake up at 7 o'clock and then I used to study till 1 o'clock. Then I take an hour of break and take lunch. After that, I used to study till 6 o'clock and then I again take a break of 1 hour to refresh my mind. And then I used to study from 7 to 9 and then I used to sleep at 10 o'clock after eating dinner.
Congratulations, Purvansh, on clearing the JEE Mains exam. Any message or a word of advice for future JEE aspirants?
We should always listen to a teacher because they'll know a lot about they know a lot about the exam. They have a lot more experience, so they know what to do and what not to do. Second of all, we should give a lot of mock tests because they gave us a surrounding environment in which we will give our exam, and we should make a separate notebook in which we write down all our mistakes so that we can review it later on. Also, our motive during giving mock test should not be marks, but rather it should be clearing our concepts and clearing our mistakes, because they will affect our paper if we not do so.
Any message or a word of advice for future JEE aspirants?
As a JEE aspirant, time is your most important resource and you should manage it properly. Also, since the preparation is very exhaustive on the mind, for better mental well-being, you should meditate daily and do some physical activities which boosts your mood.
How is the preparation of JEE mains different from boards?
So the boards and the JEE mains is totally different pattern. In mains you have to solve higher level of question, and for advanced a much higher approach is required. You would need to solve NCERT back exercises, go through the NCERT for boards. Luckily the chemistry would also help, the NCERT chemistry would also help in your mains too, but for advanced you need to solve much higher questions. In physics you have to solve a higher level of question for the mains, the NCERT won't work. And this also happen with board, that you need to solve a proper step by step in your board answer sheet to get the marks. So you have to at the end you have to learn how to solve quickly in JEE mains, but as well with the step in the your board exams.
What was your daily routine during the JEE mains preparation process?
Thank you, ma'am. As I qualified for the JEE Advanced with a decent percentile in JEE Mains, I would like to share my routine to all those fellow aspirants who are aspiring to give JEE Mains next year or further year. So my routine was like, I used to wake up at 4 o'clock at the morning and then do the mugging part of the JEE Mains, which was specifically chemistry to me. So I used to complete my chemistry part from 4 AM to 7 AM and then do all the grooming part of mine and the personal stuff by 8 o'clock and then reach a school at the same time. And then when my school was over by 1:50, I used to go to home, and then from 3 AM my own study preparation starts. So it was like I used to give 3 hours to all those subjects. It was in the back of my mind that I have to give 3 hours at least to each of the subjects, and then at the same time I should have a good quality sleep time, which would be a stress buster for me types. So by 3 PM I used to give 3 hours to maths and 3 hours to physics, depending on the mood for which to give the first. And then I used to wrap up all the things by 10 o'clock and then take a good sleep of 6 hours.
Each of the students has shown exemplary determination and perseverance, reflecting the ethos of our school. Now, with a wealth of experience and dedication to education, Mr. Ashutosh, Executive Director of Krishna Public School, Raipur region, has been pivotal in shaping the academic landscape of the region. Now, let's listen from him.
Live this moment, have the real sense of gratitude for this moment, क्योंकि रास्ता बहुत लंबा है, बहुत चीज़ें आनी हैं, बहुत बार आपको गिरना है ना, फिर संभलना है. एग्ज़ाम्स आपकी पहचान नहीं हैं, CRLs, AIRs आपकी पहचान नहीं हैं. आप अपने आप में अनंत हैं, भाग्यांश हैं, केशव हैं. कर्मण्येव अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. कर्म आपके साथ है ना. और जिस फल को आप कहते हैं कि इस कर्म का फल है, आप कंफ्यूज हैं. आपके एक कर्म, जो मैम ने कहा ना, वो 2 साल के कर्म का फल नहीं है, या 1 साल के कर्म का फल नहीं है, या किसी अनंत के 66 और 96 आने की जर्नी वो 1.5 महीने का फल नहीं है. न तो आपका फेलियर आपके कर्म का आउटकम है, ना आपका सक्सेस आपके कर्म का आउटकम. आपका आउटकम केवल और केवल कर्म है. द जर्नी, द एक्शन, दैट्स व्हाट you have the power to. You cannot even influence someone else's action ना. ईश्वर करे कि इसी तरह आपके बच्चे आपको खुशियाँ देते रहें, सुख देते रहें. ऐसी खूब सारी खुशियाँ आपके नामे आपके बच्चे करते रहें और ऐसा ही विश्वास आप अपने बच्चों पर दिखाते रहें. माय डियर किड्स, they have given their life for you. They have given their life. अपना जीवन उन्होंने एक्चुअली आप पर निछावर किया हुआ है. बड़े कीमती हैं, बड़ा ख्याल रखिएगा उनका. My dear parents, congratulations. Let us celebrate this moment to the best as much as we can.
And behold the inspiring achievements of JEE Mains qualifiers from Krishna Public School, Raipur. Congratulations to all the students, teachers and parents involved. Your hard work and dedication have truly paid off. Stay tuned for such more inspiring stories next week. Until then, stay informed, stay inspired. Goodbye and take care.